Hello friends, in this video we are going to find out input referred noise for common drain amplifier. Okay, how to find out this? First we need to know Rout, which is equals to 1 by Gm parallel R. Say R much greater than 1 by Gm, so Rout equals to 1 by Gm. Now another thing is, now this Vout n square, which is thermal noise, this is thermal noise, equals to I square into Rout, In square. So total thermal noise is In1 square plus INR square into Rout, which is 1 by Gm. So this is here Vout n square, thermal noise, output thermal noise. Now input referred thermal noise Vin square, this should be square, is given by Vout n square divided by gain square of amplifier. We know common drain gain equals to 1, so Vin square equals to Vout n. Okay, so this is input referred thermal noise. Now Vnf square for this amplifier, because there is one device, so this is given by Kf Wl Cox F. Okay, now total input referred noise is given by Vnf square plus Vin square, so that is equals to Kf Wl Cox F plus Vn is given by In1 square plus INR square divided by Gm square. Now this is our input referred noise, total input referred noise, and In1 square is 4 kT gamma, Gm INR square equals to 4 kT by R. Okay, so we can put this and find out total thermal noise. Thank you.